This review is of Alternative Baking Company Incorporated Explosive Espresso Chip Cookie. It's non-GMO and parb, so it's safe for Jews and Muslims. It's such a big cookie, I have to move my head off the screen here. And, alright. Is there anything else about it? It is vegan. But I guess that's about it. Oh no, there's a crumb in the way of reading the ingredients. There we go, I got it. I saved it. Okay, so there's all the information for you. Now let's get to the important part. Well, the ingredients is important. The nutrition facts, those are important too, but I'm getting lots of calories today. Alright, so just in case you couldn't read it quite well before, there it is again. Now I'm curious about these chips as to whether they are really espresso chips. Three of them fell off. It's not chocolate, and it doesn't really taste like espresso either. I don't know what that is. It does say it's chocolate. Those are really crappy chocolate chips. I'm sorry. Alternative Baking Company, these chocolate chips suck. They don't taste like chocolate. Chocolate chips, you need to buy a better brand of chocolate chips, guys. It's an interesting flavor. From the perspective of flavor, it's not explosive. The chocolate chips don't taste like chocolate or espresso. It's kind of a mellow tasting product. I have no idea how much caffeine is in this. They are kind of stingy on these crappy chocolate chips, which may be a good thing since the chocolate chips aren't very good at all. It is decidedly average. Since I taste neither chocolate nor espresso, nor the lovely combination that is produced, which is called mocha, or Arby's calls it Jamocha, which maybe is Jamaican mocha, I'm not really sure. It does nothing for me. Unlike their cranberry orange cookie, which is really, really good. This is thoroughly disappointing. I'm probably going to contact them because it's just such a disappointment. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.